Hello, Prakhar. Welcome.
Hello, good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Yes, I am doing good.
So, Prakhar, you have been part of my session, my English fluency course of 3 months. It's actually 6 months, but we are halfway through, um, almost done with 3 months. So, we will talk about that. But first, I want you to tell me about yourself and your background. What is it like?
Yeah, my name is Prakhar, and I am working as a software engineer since last 9 years. And
Hmm.
one of the biggest MNC of UK, it's Tesco. It's a grocery app where I am working, and I have done my BTech from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra. I have also done my MTech from BITS Pilani. Uh, Now talking about, I have done all my schooling and education from the Jharkhand. After that, I came back to Delhi last 14 years back to take the engineering entrance training program. And after that, I competed in AI Triple E exam with a good rank, and got I got many NITs, but out of that I selected BIT Misra because from the colleagues or from my seniors or from my acquaintance, I get to know that the computer science branch is good
Mhm.
in that college. Yeah, and
Fantastic.
now talking about my parents, I am only a single child of my parents. My father was a government servant. Now he is retired. My mother is a homemaker, and I am from a middle class family. That's it from my side.
Wonderful. So you have been an achiever where studies are concerned.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So what motivated you to join this English fluency program called Rapid English Mastery?
Yeah, there are couple of reasons why I joined the English speaking class. First of all, I would like to talk about from my personal end. Yeah, I am looking for a girl to marry. So meeting with the girls, I was not feeling so much confident because at that time my pronunciation was not that good, my English speaking was not that good. So because due to the lack of confidence, I was not able to communicate in a clear manner. Now, after joining the English speaking course, I am feeling that I have improved a bit. Now I am more confident than I was earlier 3 months back. Yeah, this is from the personal side. And from the professional end also, I am working in an MNC where I have to communicate with the overseas clients from the UK. So for that, the fluent English is required. Otherwise, means it would be very difficult to convey what I am telling to the overseas clients because they are not that good in Hindi or other languages. So that English is the only medium to communicate with them, and also to communicate in the team meetings or with the managers also. I am feeling more confident. Earlier, I was feeling very less confident. I was not that much fluent that time. So this motivated me to join the English speaking class. And in terms of interviews also, whatever things I need to communicate, I was getting fumbled or I was not that confident in sharing my thoughts or my knowledge. Because of that, I was not able to give my 100% due to the lack of fluency or pronunciation skills. And communication is also one of the criteria where we are evaluated. So that part also I need to overcome anyhow. So these all things motivated me to join the English fluency program, and this really helped me a lot. Yeah,
How about confidence? Confidence was also one issue uh, while
yeah,
speaking English,
yeah,
or
definitely.
confidence was an issue in any language.
Yeah, confidence was a issue in other language also. Yeah, that also improved by joining the English speaking class. Like the expression has improved a bit. yeah, now I can know how, means earlier I was giving answer to anyone in a one liner or one word. Now I am able to know how to communicate in a better way, how to elaborate the things so that other people will get engaged in communicating with me. So these all things, or these all skills I acquired after joining the English speaking fluency program. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. I'm sure there are a lot of people like you who don't know what to do, after being technically sound. They don't know why they're not moving up the corporate ladder, or as you said, communicating socially also.
Yeah.
Communication is a huge part in anyone's life, I would say, social or professional, any industry. So, but how do you feel your English skills have improved over the past 3 months?
There are many examples which I can relate to justify a proof that my English speaking skill has improved. In our company, there is a culture of one to one. There is one to one with the manager after every 2 weeks. So, uh, before joining this English speaking class, I was having a first one to one with my manager, and my manager told me that he was observing since a long. He told me that whatever Prakhar you say during the meetings or communicate with other stakeholders, yeah, you are not very clear, or you are not looking that confident. You need to work over your communication skills, because that is also very important part, important aspect of any communication, any collaboration. Yeah. So I felt really I that time I felt that I need to work on that. I need to improve my confidence, my communication skills, my pronunciation, my fluency, so that I can communicate with overseas client or other stakeholders in a more smooth way. Yeah, and over a period of time, since I had my last one-to-one meeting with my manager one or two weeks back, where he didn't tell me about all these things, that Prakhar, you need to improve your English, your communication part. So I felt that really I am doing good. He even told me that you are collaborating in a very nice way. That means I am able to communicate with other stakeholders or overseas clients or product managers in a very smooth way. Means that problem has really, I have overcome that problem really in a very nice way. Now the manager is expecting a little bit more from me. He is telling me to do something new, so that the top level management or higher level people can recognize you. So uh, I think that I have achieved, at least I have cleared one level in front of my manager in what he was expecting earlier. So really the English speaking fluency program has really helped me in achieving my professional goals in a better way, in a nice way.
Wow, wow. So how comfortable do you feel speaking English in different situations? You just spoke about your professional, with your manager. How
Yes.
about your team, in your social life, with family, friends? What, is there a difference? Have you noticed anything there?
Yeah, yeah. Now I am feeling more confident in communicating with my cousins or my relatives who are good at speaking English, or who are born and brought up and did or have their education in a big city, in a missionary school. Means I am able to communicate with them in a nice way, and the confidence level has also improved a lot, that I
Nice,
can say. So
nice.
means the confidence level and fluency has improved, so I am able to make a good, what I can say, I'm not getting the exact word for this. Yeah, I am able to
Impression,
make a
you're able to make a better impression about yourself, or you
good
probably
impression, I can say a good connect with them while
a
speaking
good
English.
connect. Yes.
Yeah. Hmm.
That would be
Because I am I am bit elaborative now also. that was also the issue, that I was giving answer to any question in one word or one liner. That's the,
Yes,
now I am able to elaborate the things. I am able to express my opinions, my views in a more better way, more elaborative way, so that I can keep others engaged while doing the conversations. Yeah,
totally. I remember the day when I used to ask you a question and you would come up with just a one word answer. And I would say it's not objective type.
yeah,
Please answer in complete sentences with expressions, with smile, and engage people. One word does not really help. Yes, I have seen this change in you. Can you describe a recent situation where you successfully used English to communicate something which you were talking about, like some meetings that you have at work, and you were given the responsibility to handle it, moderate it? I remember something like this, or anything else which you would want to share.
yeah. I can share both my personal as well as my professional experience.
That would be nice.
Yeah, so first of all, I am in terms of the professional experience, I can say that recently I had a refinement session. So refinement session is just a session where we discuss about ideas, or we discuss about things that we gonna implement in couple of days, a couple of weeks that we need to implement. So multiple stakeholders joined that refinement sessions, like product managers, developers, our team leads, everyone, even junior developers, everyone joined that meeting.
Hmm.
So there I raised many important points, because there is one feature that is going to be shipped in a few months,
Hmm.
and for that few things are still, means they have missed few things that I highlighted in the meeting in a more confident way, more elaborative way, and they really appreciated me for this. Ki, thanks Prakhar for highlighting this. Thanks Prakhar for presenting this or highlighting these things, so that and definitely and they have kept all this task in the priority. So this really means I got a nice appreciation from all the stakeholders for highlighting these things in a confident way, in a more clear and concise way. Everyone understood. No one asked. Earlier, the problem was that whenever I was speaking to anyone, everyone asked, Prakhar, can you please come again, or like this type of thing. Because
Repeat.
I was not clear in one go. I was not that concise, because I was not speaking English in a fluent or confident manner. So
Organized manner
that
also.
organized manner also, I can say, yeah. So that problem has improved a little bit. I have overcome that problem. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I
the
didn't know about this.
recent achievement I can create. Yeah.
You said you would share your personal one also.
Yeah, personal one also, because what I can say, my maternal uncle Mama, I am talking to him. He is working in a IT field. So we did a last conversation 1 week back, and that conversation was completely in English. And after the conversation, he told me that, yeah, Prakhar, you have really improved a lot.
Oh.
Yeah, earlier you because I never did a conversation in English with him
Oh.
for a 1 year, for 1 hour or half an hour continuously. I
Mhm.
did a conversation with him in English, but for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, not for continuously half an hour or 1 hour. So that's
Mhm.
the change he also felt in me, and I am also able to communicate and tell anything, or any views, or anything that I need to share with him in a more clear way, confident manner. Yeah,
Wow, this is nice. So you are now able to communicate, uh, well and
yeah,
confidently in English for say half an hour, which is
hmm.
great. Talking for half an hour is not a mean feat, actually.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
means you have developed your speaking skills now.
Hmm.
When you're able to speak now, as of now, also you're speaking pretty well. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident do you feel speaking in English now compared to 3 months ago?
Yeah, so now I can tell that I can rate myself 7 or 8 out of 10.
And
And
what were
3 months,
you 3 months ago? You were?
3 months ago, I can tell that my confidence level scaling was 2 or 3 out of 10. So
Oh,
really, it has improved. It has progressed a lot. Yeah.
I love the transformation I see in you, and I love the commitment you have because the work which I give you, you do it and you attend the classes. So it's never a magic thing. It is my effort plus your effort, obviously. Only my effort will never help. So congratulations, Prakhar. You have scaled such a. It's like from 2 or 3 to 7 is a good number. You've scaled say close to 6 points. So congratulations. I think I'm feeling very proud.
Thank you. Yeah, really, I have to work on my pronunciation skills. I
Hmm.
have to improve a lot. There is a lot of room of improvement in myself, but still, the confidence level has greatly increased in me. Earlier, I was a bit hesitating while speaking with anyone, communicating with anyone in English. So that problem has really, I have overcome that problem.
Do you think the
That
small
confidence.
techniques and tips which were taught in the class helped you gain this confidence? Like, okay, now I can do it. I know exactly how to do it. You just go and do it like that.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, main thing is that I'm more elaborative. That I told you in almost all the questions that I'm more elaborative now. Earlier, I was giving response in just one liner or one word.
Too brief, too brief.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
that's the main achievement after
So
completing this program. Yeah.
it's halfway through. We have not even completed it. We are into 3 months. It's a 6 months
Mhm.
course. You know that.
Yeah,
We need
yes.
to get into the advanced uh, section of our course. Till now, first 3 months is to work on whatever English that you're doing, you have to polish it to make it impressive and impactful. Then we move into the next 3 months of becoming advanced English speaker. So, which is important not only to speak, but to understand what other people are saying because you can control only your English level of your English. But if somebody else speaks in advanced English, if you get lost, it does not really help you because now you will not be able to answer at all. So that section is also equally important. Coming to the next question for you, Prakhar, what specific challenges did you face while learning English and how did you overcome them?
Mm, multiple challenges I faced, like in the first month session when you told me to write something about yourself or your daily routine. That time I felt challenging in writing, and I wrote something, but you after that you told me that means you, you have whatever thing you have written, if you tell in front of the audience, no one will listen to you. That's really looking very boring and all.
Hmm.
And in last sessions or last to last sessions, whatever you have given me, and whatever I narrated the story on behalf of the pictures that you presented me during the class. So that was really more engaging. You told that uh, I am really means I am able to frame the story in a better way so that the audience in front of me are more engaged. And this thing also I faced in my team meetings or any official meetings, that people are more engaged while listening to me. Earlier it was not like that, so that's the transition. That
Earlier, it was speaking in English for you only. It was
Mhm.
not engaging the audience. You were looking at English from your end.
Yeah, yeah.
And that is why it was not falling right.
Mhm.
Now you are looking at it from the listener's point of view.
Mm.
So that makes a huge difference.
Yes.
The perception that you have with speaking in English. Prakha, going forward, how has improving your English impacted your personal or professional life?
Can I tell other challenges also that I
Oh,
faced?
please, sorry. Please
Yeah.
let tell your other challenges. I love that you've started smiling. That is, I have told you so many times, I think in last two classes. I love the way because earlier when you used to smile, it used to be so awkward, very, very awkward. I'll have a picture of it or a video something somewhere. But it used to be very awkward. I love the fact that your
and
facial expressions
and
are
you
relaxed.
also and you also told that time that whenever you go to meet someone and you don't smile, no one will get take any interest in talking to you.
Yes.
Mm,
Yes.
how good you are, that doesn't matter.
That comes much later.
Yeah, yeah.
First
Mm.
impression तो चौपट हो जाता है. Yes.
Yes,
If you
definitely.
don't smile, if you don't look good, and all of that. Please carry on with the rest of the challenges.
Yeah, other challenges are that in the conversation class, how person is communicating to person we you are telling to read. At that time, in the previous sessions, I was not able to communicate. I was not able to use the exclamation. I was not able to put the emotions into the words in a way that it should be like. So that's the challenge I faced during that time. But also, but that has also improved a lot in the recent sessions I joined, and I have also done some of the homeworks where person is communicating to person we, and I am able to communicate in a better way. I am able to use the emotions, put the emotions into the words, into the sentences in a better way than I used to earlier. Yeah.
Indeed.
Yes.
Any other challenges?
Yeah.
Any other challenges you want to share?
No, no,
All
that's
right,
all.
we'll go to the next question. So, Prakhar, you have been a part of the group session and you've also taken private sessions with me for your personal and professional customized issues with communication. Do you think the private ones helped you as much as the group ones? Both of them have their own plus and minuses, of course. But what do you think about the group session that you were part of?
In private session, I only got to know about my mistakes and how to improve myself. But there are lots of mistakes which I can commit in future that I am still not aware of. And in group session, I got to know about some others' mistakes also. I can learn from others' mistakes also, and how to avoid those mistakes that I am able to know in the group sessions. And in
Yes.
group other things is that means many people are introvert or shy, so in private sessions they can speak very fluently, but in group sessions they feel hesitate while speaking. So that shyness, they can overcome that shyness while speaking in the group session, while speaking in the crowd. So that's also another advantage of having the group session over the private session.
Yes. So not only that you learn from others' mistakes, you get motivated by others. If somebody
Mhm.
is doing something nicely, you know exactly how to
Yeah.
do that. If they are getting appreciation, right, you're doing a very good job. You know exactly what to do to get that appreciation. It becomes easier for you. I don't have to teach you. You're just learning by listening to others. And also the homework which you do, I give you enough time between the two classes to try it out, practice it out, of course, as adults.
Yeah, another advantage I can say is that the competitiveness also means others are doing great in the group sessions, that I can easily see. Like few people have really improved a lot, so that instills a fire in me that I also have to improve. I also have to earlier my English speaking was supposed 2 out of 10, and I have improved up to 5 out of 10, and other people has improved 8 out of 10. So that instills a fire that why I am improving a little bit slow than other people in my group. So that competitiveness, that competitive mindset also helps in improving everywhere in any field. It's not specific to English
Yes,
speaking.
yes, everywhere.
Yeah.
That is why we have the group sessions. It helps. It helps a lot.
Yes.
Um, Coming to, I think, the last question, what advice would you give to someone starting to learn English? Uh, Everybody knows English, Prakhar. Oh, I love that smile, Prakhar. It was such a difficult thing to get that smile. But yes, everybody knows English. It's not that people in India, they don't know English, or even abroad. Everybody knows English. It's only that one needs to be impressive and impactful with English. And that is what I do. I don't really teach English to you, in the like a teacher's English teacher, just I don't teach. So, what advice would you give to someone who is struggling? to grow or become confident with their communication? What advice would you give them?
Advice in the sense कि how you can start
Yes,
learning
what they
English.
should think. See, when you joined me, I remember you made so many calls to me before you put in that little money, invested that little money into yourself.
Yeah,
Right?
because earlier also I tried uh,
Ah,
joining many English speaking classes, and I found that the teachers are teaching the grammars. They are not covering the communication part, speaking skills, and all. So I really lost faith. And whenever when I talk to you, that's why I asked lots of questions to clarify all the things, because I have the negativity in my mind that whenever I join the English, nobody will teach the conversations part or speaking skills. No one will cover. Everyone will teach the grammar. So that's the doubt I had earlier. But
no,
now
a lot
it's
of people have doubt like this. I have no issues with them. I know they're actually burnt. They have put in so much money, wasted so much time, and with no results. And you also face the same thing. And that is why I'm actually happy to answer. I'm happy when anyone has any doubts, just call me up. I have my number, my WhatsApp number is flashed all over. Let me tell you now also, WhatsApp number is 95359 73131. Just put in a message and we will plan on a time and just talk. So if you don't talk, you will never get the solutions. You will never get the answers of what I do and how I do. If you like it, then you can come further, like what Prakhar did. Very good, Prakhar, that you asked me questions, which meant that you were committed to changing your, committing to your transformation. You want that transformation. Money is a very small part. Time and effort which goes in is a larger part. And the confidence which drops down. As you said, you had a lot of negativity about these classes,
Uh,
which
also,
ended with no
you
transformation.
gave that demo class. We have the free English speaking session in Saturday also.
Yes.
So all those classes I attended, and my doubts got cleared that time. That really this English speaking session gonna help me a lot in my future, in my both personal and the professional journey. And
Indeed.
this motivated me to join the English speaking class. And the same advice I will give to others also, that means querying everything, clearing all your doubts is not a bad thing. Means just go and clear all the things, that how your session will look like, how the teachers will approach the sessions, how they will teach, what methodology and all they will provide. Like take the demo session, take the free English speaking session, and
So
those
I
things will really motivate others and help in clear the doubts.
Indeed. So they can just send a hello to me on WhatsApp and they will get one link and they can join the English Fluency Warrior group. That is where all the information is given. And, like Prakhar just mentioned, I also do free classes on Saturday. And those links are shared there. Most of the time, my paid members join the free classes a lot more than the free ones because they understand the value. They know how much it adds value to their classes and their learning. And for others who have not seen that yet, it's there on my YouTube channel, and it's called @Coach Sapna Narayan. You can just go and write free Saturday or English fluency classes, whatever, and you will get to all the sessions that have been recorded and put. From last 2 times, I am doing it as YouTube live. Still struggling with it, but let's see whichever one works. Earlier it used to be Zoom, and I just used to upload it. So it's different there. It's not the same as what happens in class, in the paid class. It is different, and all independent classes, right, Prakhar? It's not the same thing.
It's not the same thing. And the nice thing about free English speaking session is that people who joined the normal English fluency class, they can implement all the teachings, all the things in the pre-English
Yeah,
speaking that I used to do. Like I learned few of the new vocabs and I implemented there in the pre-English speaking session. So that's a platform to practice also, to
that is
revise the things that I learned earlier. Yeah.
totally, totally, totally. So, how are you feeling now, Prakhar? Happy, confident, and rearing to go, smiling all the way, and speaking amazing English and impressing people around. Do you feel confident about it?
Yeah. Now I'm feeling a bit confident than I used to earlier. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you, Prakhar, for sharing this experience of yours with me and anybody else who watches it. I'm sure it's going to help because, yes, I know what I do brings about transformation in less than 3 months. But when you say that it has, people, for people, it is more receptive for them. They understand what you're trying to say. And from your experience, I think a lot of people will benefit. Thank you so much for sharing your learning experience and yourself also. You've shared a lot about yourself. Not very easy to do, but I can see how well you are able to express now. I think you've spoken close to say half an hour, more than that, I think.
Yeah, more than that.
And you are the one who is speaking.
Yeah,
Totally.
and And earlier I was struggling to do all these things.
Yes.
Yeah,
You'll only go further.
if you would have given me this exercise 3 months back, it was really difficult for me to do.
I know. I think I should have done it that time also. And then, it would have been a very good before and after, but then it would have embarrassed you a lot. So that is why I did not do it
Yeah,
that.
mhm,
I don't want to embarrass my learners.
yeah,
I will have enough of all of that in my class recordings, the recordings which you all are provided
yeah.
to, revise and do things. I have plenty there. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I loved talking to you, and there were so many new things which I learned about you, Prakhar. So many new incidents and new things which we had not got down to discuss. Happy about how things have panned up for you. Come on, like every time, give a pat on your back. And I will give a pat on my back too for bringing about this transformation for you. For everyone else, do connect with me. Oh, okay, you've got that book also, no?
Yeah. I got the book also.
Yes. So if you can't do it on your own, we will do it together. But do it.
Yeah,
You
surely.
can do it on your own. I have absolutely no issues. But if you can't, I will be happy to help you all go through the entire book. Transformation आ जाए. 6 months you give yourself, say add another 2 months to it, and जिंदगी भर का problem solve हो जाएगा. In any field in your life. All right. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I'm going to stop this recording. हम्म तो फिर आपके काम में मतलब अभी देर आर पीपल जैसे आपके मैनेजर्स है देर आर पीपल जो नहीं उनको भी कम्युनिकेशन का इशू है एंड कंपनी की प्रोडक्टिविटी इज ड्रॉपिंग डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अभी
Yes.
आपने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है आपको लगता है आपकी कंपनी में और लोग हैं जिनको इससे फायदा हो जाएगा
Definitely, it will benefit many people.
then maybe you can
Yeah,
let
because
your manager know or somebody know in power who decision maker कि this can be done मैंने you have experienced it और ज्यादा टाइम नहीं इट डज नॉट टेक टू लॉन्ग आपको सही चीज बताया आपने सही चीज इंप्लीमेंट की ज्यादा दिन नहीं लगता है 2 2 3 3 साल नहीं लगेगा उसमें इट शोज इमीडिएटली बहुत जल्दी दिखाता है सो इट वुड बी नाइस राइट
yes, right. Yeah.
बिकॉज यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग विथ
Hmm.
पीपल इन
I'm communi- uh,
मैनेजर्स
I'm communicating with people, stakeholders who are sitting in the UK, and they have very fluent English. So the people who are struggling to speak the English, yeah, who are not confident in speaking English, how they can ask questions, how they can present themselves, how can they share their uh, opinions with the people sitting in the UK. So that's the challenge,
these
and
people
that's
are very
but
talented in मतलब
yeah,
soft IT
pe-
wise they are very talented
people are really talented. Yeah, they are good in coding, but they don't know how to express, how to point out the things. Yeah, so definitely it will reduce or it will hamper the productivity of the company. तो वहाँ
Yes.
रिक्वायरमेंट है इस चीज़ की डेफिनेटली.
आप एक बार मेरे को कनेक्ट करा दीजिए एट ऑल विथ योर मैनेजर एंड whosoever आप यू फील राइट. मैनेजर से करें बिकॉज ही कैन सी योर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
यस, एक्चुअली एमएनसी में होनी चाहिए ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स.
होना चाहिए और मैं हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट.
यस.
मैं इफ आई एम एबल टू एक एक जन को टच करने से बेटर एक कंपनी के परफॉर्मेंस में अगर इफ आई कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विथ माय स्किल्स, व्हाट बेटर देन दैट, है ना. सो दैट
डायरेक्टली अभी भी कंपनी को ही फायदा हो रहा है, कंपनीज आर गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड.
हाँ, बट हु इज पेइंग? यू आर पेइंग फॉर इट.
यस, आई एम पेइंग फॉर इट, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट आई एम
आपको पर्सनल बेनिफिट तो है ही है.
personal benefits मुझे है, and I am giving returns back to the company. I am
Company,
able to
yeah.
collaborate in a more better way.
Yes, collaborate on a larger way. Absolutely.
Uh,
If I can come down and take sessions, if it is Bangalore based, it's Bangalore based, right?
yes, it's Bangalore based. Yeah.
Bangalore is easy to even go, and even what I do with you. Twice in a week I take your classes. That is it. बीच का तो आपको homework करना है. So do connect me with them. That should be great, and put in a good word. Maybe you can share this link also when I upload this. Chala, I'm so happy that you are happy. Makes me more happy. You are motivated and so am I. You do know you are my ideal persona. आप वो चीज शेयर करने वाली चीज थी नहीं, but you are, and people who fit in your persona are perfect people for me to train.
I mean, see, you have started this training program keeping in mind this type of thing. The
Yes.
people who are in the IT field and
Yes.
who has done his BTech from a good college, but he's struggling speaking English fluently.
Background is not English speaking, like parents, hometown is not English speaking. So they struggle. पढ़ के तो आ जाते क्योंकि बुद्धि तो है, but exposure नहीं है. So
इस पर आपने शेयर भी किया था कि एग्जैक्ट पढ़ो एकदम.
Age also 32, मतलब and ये परफॉर्मर जब आपसे मिलने के बहुत पहले वो बना हुआ था. But I have to come across somebody of that mold. When I came across you, I knew you were the perfect mold.
बड़ा ये वो लगता है, मैजिक लगता है.
मैजिक लगता है. अब I can't choose ना कि कौन कौन मेरे पास आओ सीखने के लिए.
Yes.
I can't choose that. I just put in an ad. People come, they learn. Some don't learn. जो भी चीज है. But I know कि मैं किसके लिए perfect हूँ. People like you, exact persona. IT में है, bright है, committed है, growth oriented है. No, the only problem is speaking in English, expressing in English. वो एक छोटा सा पैग हट जाता है तो फिर पानी बहता है अच्छे से, है ना. So आपका जैसा पर्सोना कहाँ मिलेगा मेरे को? आपके कंपनी में मिलेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ जाऊंगी मैं टू गेट इनरोड इनटू योर कंपनी? मैं कैसे करूं? हाउ डू आई प्रूव माई सेल्फ? यू विल बी माई प्रूफ, राइट? यू विल बी माई प्रूफ. So this helps. Go ahead, talk to them.
Yes.
The moment when he gives you a compliment, ऐसा कुछ कीजिए कि he gives you a compliment saying कि oh Prakhar, your communication is good, and then you can put this in. सही टाइम पे सही चीज बोलना भी जरूरी है. ठीक है, जब वहां से सामने से आता है तो फिर ठीक है. चलो,
लाइक डेमो का भी देना होगा, प्रेजेंट करना होगा आफ्टर ए फ्यू मंथ्स. अभी तक तो नहीं ऐसा हुआ, नेक्स्ट मंथ माइट भी हो सकता है, मेरा चांस आ जाए. तो वहाँ पर लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे कि रियली यू हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड, यू हैव प्रेजेंटेड इन ए नाइस वे.
नाउ प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल इज डिफरेंट. अभी जो अभी आप कर रहे हैं, आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं की.
हाँ, स्टिल वो डिफरेंट है. हाँ,
वो एक अलग स्किल है. वो एक अलग क्लास होती है पूरी उसकी।
हाँ हाँ, उसके लिए
प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए डिफरेंट।
कस्टमाइज सेशन एक लेना पड़ेगा
हाँ,
पहले।
कि उसमें पीपीटी कैसा होना चाहिए, लुक कैसा होना चाहिए,
हाँ,
हाउ
पीपीटी भी
शुड
बोरिंग सा नहीं होना चाहिए ना, वो भी थोड़ा सा अच्छा अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए, वो मैटर करता है उनको।
इंटरैक्टिव होना चाहिए। तो वो
या
पूरा एक अलग सेक्शन है कम्युनिकेशन।
हाँ हाँ
ये तो अभी आप सिर्फ स्पीकिंग पे आए हैं, विच
हाँ।
इज अ बेस फॉर इन, है ना। चलिए, ओके,
ओके।
बाय।
बाय।
हैप्पी बाय।
बाय।